Good day, panel members. My name is Usman Muslimat Uzoman, and I'm here to present my final project on HSC Level 3 with the topic Environmental Management Plan for a Small-Scale Agricultural Project. We have our introduction here. Agriculture plays a critical role in the economy and food security of many nations. However, traditional agricultural practices often lead to environmental degradation, including soil erosion, water contamination, and loss of biodiversity. The increasing demand for food necessities. The increasing demand for food necessitates the development of sustainable agricultural practices that minimize environmental impacts while enhancing productivity. Problem statements. The challenge lies in balancing agricultural productivity with environmental sustainability. Small-scale farmers often lack the resources and knowledge to implement effective environmental management strategies, leading to issues such as waste mismanagement, inefficient water use, excessive pesticide application, and unsustainable farming practices. Aims and objectives. The aim of this report is to design a simple environmental management plan (EMP) for a small-scale agricultural project, and this include assess current agricultural practice and their environmental impact, to establish guidelines for waste management, water use, and pesticide control, and to also promote sustainable agricultural practices among local farmers. Methodology. We have research approach, which a qualitative approach was adopted, supported by quantitative data to assess environmental impact and management practices. Data collection method. Data were collected through surveys of local farmers to understand current practices, interviews with agricultural experts, and case studies of successful small-scale agricultural projects, and also observations of farming practices in the field. We have data analysis techniques. Data were analyzed using thematic analysis for qualitative data and statistical methods for quantitative data, allowing for identification of trends and best practices. My findings and discussion. I have my key observations, which are waste management. Many farmers lack proper waste disposal method, leading to pollution. And water use. We have inefficient irrigation practices resulting in water wastage. We have pesticide control. Over reliance on chemical pesticide is prevalent. Sustainability. There is limited knowledge of sustainable agricultural practices among local members. We have environmental, social, economic, and health implications. Under environmental, we have poor management. Poor waste management leads to soil and water contamination. And not only that, sometimes even air pollution. And we also have social implications. The communities face health risks from pesticide exposure. And we have the economic implication, which is inefficient practices. It will reduce our crop yields, impacting income, meaning they're not going to be having like a bountiful harvest. Their harvest is going to be on the low side. And we have health implication. We have increased incidence of pesticides related health issues, which is going to definitely affect the human that will be working on that particular farm or that is within the environment of that farm. We have policy and compliance gaps. Existing regulations are often poorly enforced. and farmers may lack awareness of compliance requirements. There is a need for more effective training and resources to ensure adherence to environmental laws. We have literature review. The EMP is grounded in sustainable development theory, which emphasizes the need for practices that meet our present needs without compromising future generations' ability to meet their own. Also, systems theory is applied to understand the interconnectedness of agricultural policies, practices, and environmental health. We have review of existing studies, and we have environmental laws and policies. The Environmental Protection Agency, which is EPA, regulations on pesticide use. We have Clean Water Act, enforcing water quality, and we have local agricultural policies promoting sustainable practices. And my conclusion, the implementation of this EMP can facilitate more sustainable agricultural practices, leading to the environmental protection and improved community health. With proper training and resources, small-scale farmers can significantly reduce their environmental footprint while enhancing productivity. And my recommendation for a small-scale farmer on the implementation of EMP is waste management, water use, pesticide control, sustainability education, and policy enforcement. Waste management, we should implement composting and recycling programs to minimize agricultural waste. For example, when they have their produce, they should have a way that they can save their produce. If they cannot sell immediately, they should have a place, maybe like a barn or something, that they can save it there to prevent it from being spoiled or damaged. And we have water use. Introduce a drip irrigation system to enhance water efficiency. And pesticide control, we should promote integrated pest management strategies to reduce chemical use. Too much of chemical is not good, actually. And we have sustainability education. We should conduct workshops to educate farmers about sustainable practices. Should go around. They need more education, awareness on what to do, the implications of if they fail to do that particular thing, what will happen. They need to know all this. And we have policy enforcement. They should collaborate with local government to strengthen enforcement of environmental regulations. Thank you.